Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are solving another interesting economic MCQ. This one's all about the price elasticity of demand. So if you have ever struggled with elasticity formula, stay tuned. You will crack it by the end of this video. Here's the question. The demand function is given as log Q is equal to log A plus 0.5 log Q, where Q is the quantity, P is the unit price for goods, and A is the positive real number, and we have to find the own price elasticity of demand. Let's solve carefully step by step. So we are given log Q is equal to log A plus 0.5 log P. We can rewrite this as taking anti-log Q is equal to AP to the power 0.5. We call the general elasticity formula own price elasticity of demand is equal to del Q by del P into P by Q. Now, differentiated with respect to P, we get 0.5 AP to the power minus 0.5. Now substitute it back into the elasticity formula, then we get we get EP is equal to 0.5. So we can see the EP is less than 1, which shows the demand is inelastic. So option D is correct. Now let's take another question. A powerful concept from monetary policy, and this one's all about unconventional tools used by central banks. So if you're preparing for class 12, UGC NET, UPSC or any economic exam, stay tuned till the end. So here's the question, which says, which one of the following is a part of the unconventional monetary policy? And these are the four options. Alright, let's think about it. Central banks like the RBI, Federal Reserve or ECB use monetary policy to control money supply and interest rates. Now usually they use traditional or conventional tools like repo rate, option number A, which means when RBI lends to banks. Option B, reverse repo rate, when RBI borrows from banks. These are the normal policy instruments you hear about in everyday news. Now what happens when the economy is in deep recession and even lowering the repo rate doesn't help? That's when central banks pull out of the big guns, unconventional monetary policy. Under this, they use tools like quantitative easing, also called QE. Here, the central bank purchases long-term government securities and other assets to inject liquidity directly into the economy. It is basically printing digital money to revive lending, investment, and demand. So clearly, the unconventional tool among the options is B, the quantitative easing.